Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get sea moss. Sea moss comes in two primary forms, raw and gel. Raw sea moss, often found dried, requires a few preparation steps before it is ready to use. On the other hand, sea moss gel is a pre-prepared, convenient option that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Knowing the difference helps you choose the best starting point for your needs and preferences. When sourcing raw sea moss, prioritize quality. Look for reputable online vendors or health food stores that specialize in natural products. It is crucial to find wild-crafted sea moss, meaning it was harvested directly from the ocean, not farmed. Always check for certifications that confirm its purity and sustainable harvesting practices. This ensures you are getting a high-quality product, free from unwanted additives or contaminants. For optimal benefits, preparing raw sea moss into a gel is a simple process. First, rinse about 1 ounce of dried sea moss thoroughly under cool water to remove any ocean debris or excess salt. Next, soak the clean sea moss in filtered water for 4 to 12 hours, allowing it to rehydrate and soften. Finally, blend the softened sea moss with 1 to 2 cups of fresh filtered water until it forms a smooth, consistent gel. This gel is now ready for use. Once you have your sea moss gel, incorporating it into your diet is easy. Many people enjoy adding 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to their morning smoothies for a nutrient boost. You can also mix it into hot beverages, soups, stews, or even use it as a thickener in salad dressings. Remember to store your homemade sea moss gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy its versatility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.